Have you ever wondered about the power of words? Today we will delve into the meanings, usage and impact of words such as conjunction, attestation, affidavit, commissioner, sponsorship, barred, penetration, probation, itinerary, infinitive, paraphrase, session, pivot, prospect, indeed, simulation, ratio, repository, dissected, impersonate, compromise, fragile and breed. These words are not just a random collection of alphabets, but tools that we wield to execute our thoughts and ideas. They are precision-engineered tools that enable us to authentically express our emotional states and mindsets. They serve as pillars of business lexicon, empowering us to thrive in a corporate environment. And they showcase the vast versatility of words, with applications spanning from legal disputes to casual social exchanges. With the right words at our disposal, we can paint vivid mental pictures, expound on complex ideas, and engage in deep, impactful dialogue. So, let's explore these vocabulary terms and their potential to enrich and amplify your everyday exchanges. Ready to delve into the world of words? Let's embark on this lexical journey together. A diverse vocabulary isn't just about impressing others with your linguistic prowess. It's a tool, a key that can unlock doors to understanding, empathy, and knowledge. In any given situation, whether it's a high-stakes job interview, a heartfelt confession of love, or a lively debate with friends, the right words can make all the difference. They can articulate your thoughts more accurately, convey your emotions more vividly, and present your arguments more convincingly. In this video, we'll be exploring these hand-picked words that can add depth, color, and precision to your everyday conversations. First up, we have conjunction, a term denoting a word that connects phrases, clauses, or sentences. For instance, and, but, and or. It's like weaving magic with words when you didn't even realize you had such ability. Now let's incorporate conjunction in a couple of sentences. For example, despite his fear and anxiety, he gave a successful presentation. Or, she enjoys reading, but she doesn't have much time for it. So the next time you come across a sentence where phrases or clauses are connected, remember the term conjunction. Our next term is attestation, a descriptor for the act of witnessing a document in a legal capacity or certifying its authenticity. Now let's use attestation in a couple of sentences. For example, the notary public stamp is an attestation of the document's authenticity, or the lawyer provided an attestation of the contract's legality. So remember, henceforth, whenever you witness a document being certified or legalized, think attestation. Next, we introduce affidavit, a term for a written statement confirmed by oath or affirmation for use as evidence in court. In a sentence, you might say, the witness's affidavit was crucial in proving the defendant's innocence. So remember, the next time you come across a legal document confirmed by oath or affirmation, you're dealing with an affidavit. We then delve into commissioner, a term referring to a person appointed to a role or task by a government or organization. For example, he was appointed as the commissioner of the city's police department. Or perhaps, the commissioner of the baseball league announced new rules for the upcoming season. So when you reflect on the appointed roles within a government or organization, you're likely talking about a commissioner. Finally, we present sponsorship, a term signifying the financial support provided by a brand or individual for an event, activity, person, or organization. For instance, the music festival received sponsorship from a major beverage company. Thus, when a brand or individual provides financial support for an event or organization, they're providing sponsorship. In this footage, we dive into the unique framework of words, investigating the harmony of factors that generate their essential meanings. We also highlight the fleeting nature of these episodes, scrutinizing how they can be seized and comprehended through the lens of perception and interpretation. Today we have only scratched the surface of the rich tapestry of words, but we hope that this exploration of vocabulary terms has been enlightening and engaging.